Not sure how to get your home ready to sell? Well, fortunately, there are steps you can take before putting your home on the market. So let's get started. Hello everyone, so happy to be here with you. This is Meral Ibrahim, broker associate with Coldwell Banker Realty in the beautiful Palm Beaches, Florida. Come join me to discover everything about communities, lifestyles, and some real estate. If you've been here before, thank you and welcome back. If you love the Palm Beaches like I do, click on that subscribe button below and hit that bell so you'll be notified every time I make a video. Whether you're thinking of selling your home next month, 6 months from now, or a year from now, by taking these simple steps before putting your home on the market, you can increase your chances of receiving a solid offer from a buyer. From cleaning and staging to repainting and depersonalizing, here are 6 easy things you can do before you sell your home. 1. Improve your landscaping. Curb appeal is important to a good first impression, so make sure your lawn is well cared for, your landscaping is trimmed, there are no weeds competing with your plants and shrubs, and consider putting some new plants near the front door for a fresh and welcoming look. Buy a new welcome mat to let the buyers feel they are welcomed into your home. If your front door hasn't seen a fresh coat of paint in a few years, try a color that contrasts with the home and replace faded numbers and old hardware on the door. If the exterior of the house has water stains or mildew stains, then clean it up with a pressure washer, and while you have that pressure washer handy, clean up the driveway and walkway. All these things will make the house look well cared for and inviting. 2. Remove clutter and depersonalize. When buyers look at homes, they want to envision their belongings and furniture in your home. So start removing those personal items that include things like knickknacks, family photos, extra furniture, and other personal items. Store them in boxes in the garage or rent a storage unit if that is something you would consider. Messy closets give the appearance your home doesn't have enough closet space. So by going through them and letting go of old clothes and fashion accessories, as hard as it may be to do that, remember that these items of clothing will only weigh your moving boxes down and increase your moving costs. A good rule of thumb that I use is if I haven't worn it in the last year, then it's probably not something I need to keep. Other things to consider when deciding whether to purge clothing is it on trend or making a comeback? Does it fit properly? Is it in good condition? Well, if you answered no to any of these questions, it's time to let it go. Create a donation pile, a trash pile, and maybe a consignment pile. There are several organizations that will gladly accept used clothing like Goodwill, Salvation Army, and Habitat for Humanity. Do the same with unwanted furniture, kitchen items, and knickknacks. 3. Repairs worth making before you sell. Paint is one of the cheapest and easiest ways to update the look of your home before you list it. Lighter and neutral colors are preferred when selling because they appeal to most people. You don't have to paint every room, just those that obviously need it. Rooms with dark paint, chipped or dirty paint are the ones that benefit the most. If you have wallpaper in your home, it is almost always a good idea to remove it to sell your home for the most money. Wallpaper dates a home. When it comes to kitchens, do not do a complete kitchen renovation. However, you can make some minor repairs that will make your kitchen appear more inviting, even if it isn't a dream kitchen. If your lighting, for instance, and countertops scream 1980s, you can change all of these without too large of an investment. The price of solid surface materials, though, has come down, so it might be worth getting an estimate for installing granite countertops, especially when the kitchen counter space is not huge. When it comes to bathrooms, cleaning up the grout or replacing it is always a good idea, as it becomes dirty over the years. If the bathroom surfaces are dingy, the brighter and cleaner you can make the room, the better. And of course, if you have a problem with a leaky toilet or faucet, make repairs as necessary. The bathroom and kitchen are the most important areas in the home. These are the areas where buyers will put their focus. This makes it even more important to repair any issues before putting your home up for sale. 4. Pre-sale inspection. This can help you identify issues and fix them before you try to sell your home. Unless you're a contractor, a real estate agent, or a home inspector, you are probably going to miss a few things as you go looking for problems in the home. But you need to factor in the cost of the inspection, and you'll need to disclose what you find. But the flip side is it does reveal accurately the condition of your home, it builds trust with potential buyers, and leads to a more accurate pricing of your home. 5. Brighten up your home. A bright house feels bigger, cleaner, and more cheerful than a dark, closed-off house, which is why we realtors always recommend to open up blinds and curtains for photo shoots and showings. Also, turning on a light, even a small lamp, in those dark rooms that appear to be darker than most other areas of your home can help buyers see your home's features and help make your home look larger. 6. Interview agents. It's never too early to start interviewing real estate agents. Don't go with the one you find by happenstance through an ad you see, a piece of mail you receive, or a recommendation from someone. The ideal way to hire an agent is to interview 2 or 3 local agents with a track record and also check out their reviews. The next most important thing to ask an agent is about their suggested marketing plan. Find out how the agent plans to bring your house to the attention of interested buyers. Do they use a professional photographer? Do they do aerial photography? How about print marketing and TV advertising? These are not unreasonable questions to ask. Your home is your biggest asset, and you deserve to get top-notch marketing. Find a top realtor who will invest in the marketing of your home, because this is how your home will attract more buyers, will sell for more money in the least amount of time. This is how I market my listings, but there's more to it, and I'll be happy to share with you my full marketing plan. So I hope you got something out of these 6 easy steps to prepare your home to sell. If you like this video, check out this one, and be sure to get a copy of my free home selling checklist below in the resource section. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye.